The TOPTGO 3-pack roof riser kit is expertly constructed from carbon steel with a sleek black powder coating, ensuring it is both anti-corrosion and anti-rust for long-lasting durability. Each adjustable pergola roof bracket in this kit can be easily modified to fit any roof angle between 0 and 90 degrees, offering unparalleled flexibility for various installations. These riser brackets provide a vertical lift of 6 inches, enhancing headroom and creating a more spacious atmosphere in your outdoor living area. The straightforward installation process of these brackets allows you to securely attach your pergola or patio roof without the hassle of a complex setup. This heavy-duty kit is specifically designed to fit 4x4 wood beams, making it a perfect choice for constructing robust wood patio covers or gazebos. With attention to detail and superior materials, the TOPTGO Roof Riser Kit stands out as a reliable and efficient solution for elevating your outdoor structures.